To kick off the fall 2012 commencement activities, the C.T. Bauer College of Business held a reception to honor outstanding graduating students, including 9 students who received a 4.0 grade point average, students traveling to Peru for the Sales and Social Impact course, and graduate and professional programs outstanding fall graduates.
Being a student here at Bauer has been a great experience for me. I've really loved the camaraderie with the students, the dedication of the faculty. It's just been something that in my time here has been the brightest thing that's shined through everything else. Being able to work closely in student organizations with students, faculty, professionals, it's a great opportunity to come to school here at Bauer, and it's definitely going to be something that I continue coming back to do as I move forward in my career.
I've heard a few things about the program here in terms of how underrated it was. Turns out it was all true, that's for sure. This has been like one of the best experiences of my life, and it's worked out amazing. I've met some wonderful people. All the professors have been amazing, treated me so well. And getting to work with the Cougar Fund, I never expected anything like that. So.
I think the key to success here at Bauer and anywhere in life is dedication. You really have to focus on school. You have to focus on your family. You have to focus on your friends. You have to focus on the responsibilities that you have, whatever those might be. Anyone can be successful in the school. It's challenging, but it's doable.